Running a small business and no marketing team? No problem. In the next 90 seconds, let's see how artificial intelligence can become your content team. Artificial intelligence tools can help you create content faster, without hiring designers, writers or editors. Need captions, blogs or video scripts? Artificial intelligence writing tools can turn simple ideas into ready-to-post content in seconds. Don't know design? Artificial intelligence design tools create posts, thumbnails, and ads using smart templates. Just add your text. Artificial intelligence can even schedule your posts, suggest the best time to publish, and analyze what's working. Chatbots powered by artificial intelligence reply to customers 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, saving time and improving engagement. With artificial intelligence, small businesses don't need big teams, just smart tools. Start small, stay consistent, and let artificial intelligence do the heavy lifting.